So what's up guys? So I'm going to be talking about why all buildings need to have lockdown alarm systems and lockdown buttons everywhere. The reason why all buildings need to have lockdown buttons and everywhere, not just schools. Because lockdown alarm systems are there to keep people safe from intruders or dangerous criminals that enter the building, or hostile individuals, or whichever bad person enters the building. And I would think it's a good idea for all buildings and every building to have a lockdown alarm system, because lockdowns are very important for our safety drills and for safety issues. Comment down below if you agree with me on that lockdown alarm systems should be everywhere, not just schools. And I'm thinking about installing a lockdown alarm system in my house one day. That's all I have to say today, guys. So have a good day, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications when I post brand new videos on YouTube.